Dreams don't work unless you do. These are the inspiring words by the marvelous Mahila for the day, Riya Yadav. Miss India Brand Ambassador 2019, Miss Reliance Jewels 2018, a social activist and an educationist.
गुड मॉर्निंग मार्वलेस महिलास। आज हमारे साथ जो मार्वलेस महिला जुड़ने वाली है उनका नाम रिया यादव। वी वुड लाइक टू नो हाउ हैव यू स्टार्टेड। रिया मैम, आप अपने जर्नी के बारे में हमारी महिलाएं हमारे साथ जुड़ी हैं उनको कुछ बताएं, उनको इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी अपनी सुनाएं प्लीज मैम। यस, रिया यादव मैम।
थैंक यू। फर्स्टली मैं तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी वन महिला का फॉर गिविंग मी वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी and I'm really glad to have wonderful the platform which I can express myself. Yes, if it comes to my journey, my profile, as you all know that I am multitasking kind of personality.
Yeah.
It's because I have too much of creative mind. I love to do creative things, task completing challenges, and behind it, it's my family. Whatever I'm here, it's because of my family. They never stopped me. That they never said, "Ye mat karo, wo mat karo." No, they said, "You go on, you will rock." And I think that is my inspiration, and which supported me a lot. I am very blessed girl. I took birth on Janmashtami, auspicious occasion. Yeah, so I feel really blessed that I'm blessed by Lord Krishna. And from that day, I believe that I have to do something. I have to achieve something. Then I did my schooling from Ajanta Public School. And during my childhood, I used to participate in other activities like dancing, acting, drawing. And I used to win it sometimes. I used to participate. So that was my encouragement. And after that, from age of 12, I started teaching in an NGO. I feel that I should enhance my education and should complete my, I should start completing my career, making my career in small very age. So that was my ambition, and I think family gave me a support. So I worked on that. From 12 years age, I started teaching in an NGO and exploring my talent.
Right.
And that was very young age, but I believe that was perfect age for me. And that time of period, I started doing my diploma, certificate course and all, and other activities. I used to participate in that. And in very young age, after doing my schooling in class 10th, I opened my own institution, and where we used to give the education to the dance, acting, modeling and all. So that was my startup point, you can say.
That too at a very
I
early
started
stage.
my career that.
Kudos to your work, ma'am. You started very early and you are still rocking and you are doing absolutely great. Heading towards the next very question, ma'am, you told us about your journey, how you started. You must have faced certain challenges. Would you like to share any of challenge here on this platform?
Yeah, then slowly I went into the modeling and all. I got offers from Reliance Jewels, and which a big startup for me. Then I used to invite as a guest, as a jury. Then I became a brand ambassador of Blackish. Slowly, I didn't stop. Then I started my profession also as a French teacher. And I worked in International Delhi Public School for last 2 years. And right now I'm working in Narayana Group of Education. So I balanced both the things, my profession, my passion. And last year only, I became F3 Miss India Brand Ambassador 2019. So that was the biggest achievement. And that was achievement I feel that more I will achieve in future. And if it comes to my challenge, yes, I got many challenges in my life. अगर मैं start करूँ तो इतने सारे challenges हैं कि finish नहीं होगी. So if I got challenges, I have a helping hand. That was my parents. They were standing like a wall behind, front of me. Yeah, any challenges comes, that never gives me for my success. They say, "You go on. We will handle that challenge." So as such, I didn't face challenge. Uh,
On that
I
front.
made myself
Yeah,
success. That
you
is the
made
reason my challenge.
yourself iconic figure at a very young age, and I could just see your inspiration. And I'm about to ask you, who was your inspiration batch basically? Where do you got this type of inspiration to become something and to be and to work for NGO? As you mentioned, your work as a social platform also, and on the fashion and you have been handling the fashion pageant, as you mentioned that. How, who's the inspiration behind for all this, like multitasking?
Inspiration is my mom.
Okay.
Yes, her hard work and her way to fight with every situation and become a successful woman. That I think nowhere is the inspiration. She is my inspiration. I believe she is a daring personality. She is a national player of volleyball and a fantastic player of gymnastics. So I believe her courage of doing work, I believe that was an inspiration from my childhood.
You know, the platform is basically meant for a discussion forum. We want to bring women here and to acknowledge their womanhood apart from their challenges. There is certain kind of expectations every woman. We want you to tell us what type of social change do you expect in the society.
Yes, definitely I would love to. In my whole journey till now, I felt that the women empowerment, as बहुत लोग कहते हैं, we are working for empowerment, right? And I also say I'm working in an NGO, we are working for empowerment. क्या है ये empowerment? Because I think woman is filled with lots of talent in her. She's almost खुद एक proud, said woman, human being we can say, right? So I believe क्यों चाहिए हमें ये empowerment? That I believe that it's an action using raising status for women throughout the education, awareness, literacy, and training. So from girls, it becomes women, right? So I want to say that no one is weaker. You have to dare yourself. बस इतना कहना चाहूंगी that do your dreams complete, do your aspirations complete, do your inspiring things, and achieve something. I believe that no one is going to support. I want to say everyone is going to support you in that.
इस उम्र में आपने इतना सारा कुछ अचीव करा है, वो एक इंस्पिरेशन है, एक रोल मॉडल की तरह लोगों को गाइड करता है कि वुमेन्स अगर चाहें तो वो अपने आप को मोबिलाइज कर सकती हैं, अपनी एनर्जी को चैनलाइज कर सकती हैं.
We can say एक अंदर आपके अंदर अगर जज्बा है तो no one is going to stop you out. There is no one to stop you out in whole world.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं आप. हमारे इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप आए हो तो मैम कोई मैसेज होगा आपका हमारी महिलाओं के लिए जो हमें इस वीडियो को जब कंप्लीट हो जाएगी उसको वॉच करेंगे तो उनको कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आप?
Yeah, sure. So बस मैं इतना कहना चाहूंगी, don't let it go your spirit. Woman, नारी एक ऐसी शक्ति है जो ठान ले वो कुछ भी कर सकती है. So never stop learning, never stop in completing your aspiration, your dreams. I want to say you are a woman. That is mainly a proud moment for you. Yes, I can understand whenever you bring a spirit of your vision, you will face many challenges. But believe me, whenever you will achieve it, you will get a lots of respect from the society. Society is going to salute you out. So believe me, don't let it go. Your dreams, your aspirations, your aim of the life.
Fabulous.
I am part of the NGO, that is Saksham Bharat. I am Sachiv of the NGO and our Rashtriya Adhyaksh of the NGO is Mr. Narendra Sharma. So I'm glad being wonderful. I'm glad being part of wonderful organization. हमारे organization का main motto है जात पात से नाता तोड़ो मिलकर भारत जोड़ो. So I believe, don't believe that criticism that we are not from that culture, we are not from that culture. We believe that help everyone. In our NGO, We provide free education to the children and provide food for the poor kids. And we help all the needy peoples. That is our main motto.
Very good. We all, our entire team of Man Melaka is honored to have you, ma'am. It was a amazing session. आपने बहुत inspiring words बताए. We all are very
Thank you so much,
truly,
ma'am.
truly honored.
I'm honored being part of the Man Mahila, and I would say to all the Mahilas, wonderful Mahilas, you are blessed being a Mahila or a woman. So keep that spirit, keep aheading, keep move ahead.
Great. Absolutely great. We wanted these types of women to come up. इस पूरे मंच पर आने के लिए आपका बहुत धन्यवाद मैम. आपने अपने कीमती समय में से हमारे लिए टाइम निकाला है.